Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically sync new WooCommerce customers from a source site to a target site using the REST API. First, let's open our code snippet on the source site. Here, we need to add the target site URL and the authentication keys. These are critical because they allow the source site to securely communicate with the target site via the API. Next, we'll generate the REST API keys on the target site. Navigate to WooCommerce, Settings, Advanced, REST API, then click Add Key. Give it a descriptive name. Set permissions to read and generate the key. Copy the consumer key and secret and paste them into the snippet on the source site. Once that's done, activate the snippet. Now that the snippet is active, let's test it. Go to the registration page on the source site, in this case, the My Account page, and create a new user by filling in the registration details and clicking Register. Immediately after registration, the snippet triggers the REST API request. It sends the new customer's data securely to the target site. Let's verify this on the target site. Go to WooCommerce, Customers, and you'll see the newly registered customer has appeared automatically, complete with all the correct details. And that's basically it. This is a simple example showing how WooCommerce's REST API can create a customer on another site automatically.